You can easily roll over funds from your existing investment accounts into CalSTRS Voluntary Supplemental Savings Plan, Pension2. Combining multiple accounts into one has several advantages. The first is lower costs. Since all investment accounts charge fees, you'll pay less in fees with only one account. Also, it'll be easier to review and manage your investments. Having all your investments in one account will come in handy once you're subject to the federal required minimum distribution law, because you'll be less likely to miss taking a distribution, which means you'll be less likely to have to pay a penalty. And if the time comes when you're unable to manage your finances by yourself, a financial advisor or your family members will find it easier to handle your investment accounts if they're all in one place. If you're thinking about rolling over one or more eligible 403b, 457b, 401k, or IRA accounts into Pension2, call us at 888-394-2060. Our non-commissioned licensed advisors will review your accounts and see where we can save you money. With this free service, all we need is the latest statement from each account you'd like reviewed. Then, if you decide to roll over funds, we'll work directly with the vendor of your accounts to easily transfer your funds. When you retire from CalSTRS, you'll have the choice to roll your CalSTRS Defined Benefit Supplement account or cash balance benefit funds directly into Pension2. With this option, your funds will continue to earn interest until you're ready to access them later in retirement. If you have questions, visit pension2.com or call us at 888-394-2060.